All right, guys, welcome to today's live session recap. Hope you're doing well. This morning was a little choppy. We identified a nice push at a gold. When I say nice, meaning it followed through. Not a very long-lasting move. And then as soon as we got to the opening bell, it was right around the time when the news was released that Iran was planning to attack Israel in retaliation for the killing of the Hezbollah leader. So, I don't like to trade crazy volatility. Yes, I realize that sometimes that creates a good opportunity, but I prefer to just wait for the market to kind of slow down so that I can make a calculated trade based on the evidence that the market's providing, rather than trying to trade the emotion in the market. That can become very difficult, very hard, especially when there's breaking news about global disruption. There's chances that stocks can be ran and jumped over and gapped, and I've seen all kinds of things doing this, for the last 13, 14 years. So I really just kind of let this morning go by and waited to see how things played out this afternoon. Had a key level I was watching, 71.40 here on crude. We came back through that, breaking through what I felt was a significant candle that drove the price higher. And when we closed below that candle, we ended up continuing to sell off. So I was able to capitalize on a relatively short-term trade. I think I was in the trade for roughly 10 minutes, maybe a little bit less. By the time I entered, set my stop, set my target, things started moving very quickly and efficiently, which is what I like to see. And before you know it, I was all locked in and all done with the trade. So I did record it so that you guys can see it. I'm going to post that video inside the blog post. I'll also put a link below this video here on social media so that you can see it for yourself. Just so you can see how it played out. It was very short term. If you look up here, I literally waited for a close here below 71, below this candle 14.15, which transpired right here at 1:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can see we just pushed back against the wick of that candle, and then boom, we sold right off. Took my profit right here, 70.50, coming into both the rolling VWAP and this level here that acted as prior resistance, and then once broken above, retested as support. So worked out nicely. The trade was nice and quick, just the way I like it, in and out of it. That's the way I like to trade. I'm not, like when trades take an exaggerated period of time, there's a greater chance of things not working in my favor. When things happen quickly and efficiently, that's ultimately what I'm looking for. I was able to do that by utilizing the footprint chart. I will also include an image of that inside the blog post. You'll be able to watch the trade transpire, see the liquidity taken, also see exactly where the breakdown was on the footprint chart so that you can see what my confirmation was. My confirmation was a close below that line that I have drawn on the footprint chart for you to see, and hopefully it gives you guys some insight to the way that I personally approach the market and the way I train my traders to do the same. If I can help you in any way, always feel free to reach out. God bless, and I will see you in the next video.